pork and cabbage dumplings. Ingredients shop this recipe. Dough. 3 1/8 cups all-purpose flour. 3/4 teaspoon salt. 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons water, boiling. 1 1/2 cups shredded Napa cabbage, or 1 cup shredded regular cabbage. 3/4 teaspoon salt, divided. 1/2 pound ground pork, chicken, or turkey. 1/4 cup scallions, finely sliced. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 teaspoons toasted sesame oil. 1 tablespoon Shaoxing rice wine, sake, or sherry. 2 teaspoons garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon fresh ginger, finely grated. 1 1/2 teaspoons to 1 tablespoon granulated sugar. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Instructions. To make the dough, in a medium bowl, whisk together the flour and salt. Place a wet towel under the bowl to keep it from sliding, then trickle the water into the flour while stirring with chopsticks or a spatula. After all the water is added, continue to stir until the mixture becomes shaggy and the water is fully incorporated. Place the dough in an airtight container or zip-top bag and allow it to rest at room temperature for 15 to 30 minutes, or refrigerate up to 1 day. To make the filling, if using Napa cabbage, rinse, pat dry, then sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon salt over the cabbage and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, or until it wilts and releases water. Squeeze the cabbage to drain the liquid. Salting the cabbage beforehand avoids soggy dumplings later. If using regular cabbage, or another leafy vegetable with less water content, skip this step. In a medium bowl, mix together the drained cabbage, remaining 1/2 teaspoon salt, ground meat, scallions, soy sauce, sesame oil, rice wine, or sake or sherry, garlic, ginger, and sugar. Sprinkle the cornstarch evenly over the mixture and mix again until well combined. Cover and refrigerate while you roll out the dumpling wrappers, no longer than 1 to 2 hours.